Welcome to Nalla Narasimha Reddy Education Society's group of institutions, integrated campus, Hyderabad, estimation, quantity surveying, and evaluation. I'm Dr. Imash Babu, Professor, Department of Civil Engineering. In Unit 4, rate analysis, I explained what is the importance of rate analysis, what is the purpose of rate analysis, and what is the definition of rate analysis in previous videos. Now, the rates of item will vary with labor, skilled labor, unskilled labor, and in skilled labor also type 1 skilled labor, type 2 skilled labor. Generally, the labor charges can be obtained from the standard schedule rates of rates, that is SSR and SOR. SSR, that is 30% of skilled labor provided in the data may be taken as first class and remaining 70% second class. See, for his construction work, suppose brickwork is there, masonry, and to help that masonry, head masonry, some other skilled labor also required to give you bricks and in proper size, proper shape, proper material to handle, and you help the skilled labor, first class skilled labor. Second class skill, because you should know the knowledge. There are another type is unskilled labor. Okay, the rates of materials for government works are fixed by superintendent of engineer of concern board of chief engineers, that is R&B in suppose in Telangana, roads and building department and irrigation department or panchayat raj department, and every state is having their own SSR because of rates depend upon regions, local, and labor rates also depend upon the local rates, availability of labor. So that's why these are decided by local authorities, right? For central government, CBW will decide the rates. The labor charges obtained from the standard schedule rates, that is 30%, and skilled labor, that is also from SOR. These rates are incorporated in the schedule of rates, right? And reinforced concrete and other works. Reinforced concrete means here we should know some important points. This specification covers the general requirements for concrete jobs using non-production facilities, including requirements in regard to the quantity, handling, storage of ingredients, proportioning, batching, mixing, and testing of concrete, and also requirements in regard to the quality. So this is very important in the structure, because in the project, this is a major role plays in the structure. Nowadays, many flyovers, many buildings are collapsing because of non-quality work, design works, maybe. So here, RCC covers, this is a concrete job. So this includes your quality, handling, storage. Storage also, that is cement also, you should not storage for more time. And proportion mixing is also important. If mentioned in design M20, you have to mix that proportion only. And batching and mixing and testing of concrete cubes. Whenever you are constructing footings or columns, beams, then you have to send for test. So this RCC item also include that cost also we have to add in the estimation. So to require good strength of quality, right? And this also covers the transportation of concrete from mixer to the place and final deposit and placing, consolidated, curing, production, repairing, and finishing of the work, concrete. See, RCC says one more, but in RCC, suppose at the site, see, suppose slab is there, you have to plan your mixer at in the ground, and you have to have accelerators and other equipments requirement. Or if you want to take from RMC plant, you can collect it from. So these also include these cost, transportation of cost from the mixer. So our RMC plant are side by near place, because you may not available near place, so that you can have mixer at some distance, that cost also include. And the final deposit placing at the place, suppose slab is there, you have to place in the slab or column. So suppose height is more, you have to use the different equipment to pour into the column, that concrete. So this is consolidations. Okay, you have vibrator cost, curing, so it will take curing, you need waterman, water, so protecting. So you have to also protect the RCC, so you required watchman, security, repairing. Suppose any some small repairs to be done, then you have to done, and finishing up the concrete immediately after any problem in the mixing or some problem due to form work or any unskilled man irresponsibility, some small repairs you can make, that you can, if you want, that amount also include your RCC item. Afterward the work, if so desired by the contractor, he or they may allowed by the engineer in charge till the design mix is obtained to carry out the reinforced concrete work. See, this is nominal mix generally for a small G+1, G+2 houses we are using. But whenever a brick project, you have to go for design mix. See, same quality of cement, same quality of sand, same quality of aggregates you have used. Those you mix, you test in the lab, that required time, that also cost will be included in the time for testing. Also you need time, the curing time. So these are all including ISPOR in charge engineer. So in charge engineer should satisfy these conditions. Okay, of course he may satisfy with other different conditions, but to have a good quality, and that they should design mix should be tested in the labs, right? Okay, see here, suppose in foundation, if you look at foundation and plinth, as equivalent nominal mix as per specification design mix, concrete as per IS codes. Say IS 456 2000 has given different nominal mixes and design mixes as per code. So that we have to check. Engineer will have right to check that as per IS code or not. The design mix or nominal mix as per code or not. However, the all other specification for design mix shall govern for nominal mix also, and nothing extra shall be paid for use of extra cement on this account, whether the cement is supplied by the department or produced by the contractor. See, here also we have to consider that extra cement, if you require for design mix or nominal mix, whatever it may be, if engineer is not satisfied, you have to suppose add extra cement. So you have to increase mix instead of M20, M25 also cement is taking extra. If you are not unable to get quality results, then you have to go and redesign, remix the concrete. Okay, then if the amount is more, and then the cement will not supplied by the government or department, or will not pay extra amount for that one. So this, because the design mix is depend upon the quality of cement, that you are I will many types of brands, so different types of cement mixes will you give different strength. Okay, so this is very important point in the rate analysis of rate. Now, cement, concrete, plain and reinforced. Now, the quality of material and method control manufacture and transportation of all concrete work in respect of mix where reinforced or otherwise shall conform to the applicable portion of these specifications. See, cement concrete, it may be plain or reinforcement. See here, the quality of material is important and method of control, how you are mixing, what are the equipment you are using, what is the new techniques you are applying, what are the technology you are using to get quality in respect of mix or reinforcement, and wherever it may be applicable in foundation and footings, columns, wherever it may be, the quality of materials and method and control of manufacture and transportation of all concrete work, right? So the engineer in charge shall have the right to inspect the source of material, the layout and operation of procured and storage of materials. See, storage is one of the important problem in the site because you have different seasons. So you have to give shelter or you have to construct temporary sheds for to store the cement or other material. In while you are in project is the time taking, say 1 or 2 months or 3 months. In between, engineer will come and he is right to inspect your material aggregates whether they are good or not. Even he will go, he informed you test the materials, okay, and informed to design mix also testing, and he is right to check layout and operation of procurement. What are the equipments you are using, and what are the for construction as per plan, whether available materials or not. So these are very important factors in the analysis of rates. I will end this video and I will continue in next video. Thank you. Thank you all.